الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الدرس التاسع عشر. So now we're on lesson 19. Okay, what I'm going to start going into now is actually going to cover lesson 19 and lesson 20. However, the actual part of lesson 20 I'll save to discuss in lesson 20, and we focus only on this part. Now we're going to start talking about counting and numbers in the Arabic language. And this is referred to as al-adad, the number, al-adadu, wal-ma'dud, and the thing that is being counted. Okay, wal-ma'dudu. So the number and the thing you're counting. Al-adad is the number, wal-ma'dud is the thing that you're counting. Now our focus is going to be from 3 to 10, thalatha ila ashara. Okay, so that is what is the focus of lesson 19 and lesson 20, counting things between the numbers of 3 to 10, inshallah ta'ala. As we'll see, I'm going to read through the dialogue as always without translating, and then inshallah discuss the rules within this lesson. So let's start from here. المدير كم طالبا جديدا في فصلك يا شيخ؟ المدرس فيه 10 طلاب جدد. المدير من أين هم؟ أكلهم من بلد واحد؟ المدرس لا، هم من بلاد مختلفة، منهم ثلاثة طلاب من الفلبين، و4 طلاب من اليابان، وطالبان من الصين، وطالب واحد من ماليزيا. المدير أفي فصلك طلاب من أمريكا؟ المدرس نعم، فيه 7 طلاب من أمريكا. المدير أهم جدد؟ المدرس لا، هم قدامى. المدير كم طالبا فيه من أوروبا؟ المدرس فيه 5 طلاب من إنجلترا، و8 طلاب من ألمانيا، و6 طلاب من فرنسا، و9 طلاب من يوغوسلافيا، و9 طلاب من يوغوسلافيا. المدرس شكرا يا شيخ. جيد. So in these sentences, these are all examples of masculine nouns being counted. Masculine nouns being counted from 3 to 10. Why do you say from 3 to 10? Because number 1 and number 2 are treated as adjectives. They're treated as adjectives. So I say, for example, kitabun. It means a book. It means one book anyway. Kitabun wahidun. So when I write wahidun, this is literally emphasizing that it's one book. Same as we learnt jewel just now. So 2 is kitabani. This means 2 books in itself. So if I say ithnani now, I'm only emphasizing it. Kitabani, ithnani, 2 books. So our focus is actually from numbers 3 to 10, inshallah. Our focus is numbers 3 to 10. So let's go straight into it. Right here we have اقرأ واكتب, read and write. Now this is going to be discussing the rule of 3 to 10 counting. So ثلاثة طلاب. So 4 طلاب, 5 طلاب, 6 طلاب, 7 طلاب, 8 طلاب, 9 طلاب, 10 طلاب. This column is referred to as the ma'dud, and this column in blue is referred to as al-adad. Okay, now the following rules apply. The gender of the adad and ma'dud is to be the opposite according to the noun when it is singular. So the singular noun of talab is talibun. Okay, talibun is the singular of talab. Now thalathatu is feminine, and we can see that because of the ta marbuta, the ta at the end. Now we know that this is feminine. Now, but with 3 to 10, what we are counting, the ma'dood, the thing that we are counting, has to be written in plural. So tulab is the plural of talib, and it also has to be mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Okay? So that's why tulabin takes kasra. So if I just write, for example, sittatu tullabin. If we're analyzing this sentence, then we're going to say al-mudafu, this is the possession or the relative thing, al-mudafu ilayhi, the thing that is related to. Ilayhi. And that mudaf ilayhi, as we learned in lesson 5, takes what? Kasra. It takes kasra. Okay? So this is how we count from 3 to 10. And all of these nouns, this is in this chapter, lesson 19, is actually talking about counting things that are masculine. And we use the feminine number, and then the thing that you're counting, the noun, is in the plural form, as you can see in these examples. Okay? So again, lesson exercise number 2, Iqra waktub. Read the following sentences, observing that rule, inshaAllah ta'ala, of how to count from 3 to 10. So, and please make sure, it's very important, I remind you that you're memorizing your vocabulary. If you're not memorizing vocab, you're not going to learn Arabic. Okay, Arabic is rules, but then words. The most important part is your words. How many words do you have to actually practice using these rules, inshaAllah ta'ala? So again, this is a continuation of the exercise from the previous page. Now we're here. أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية مستعملا العدد المذكور بين القوسين. So here it says, answer the following questions using the number that is in between the brackets here. So for example, it says مثال كم كتابا عندك? How many books do you have? And then the number here is ثلاثة. عندي ثلاثة كتب. So you're going to do exactly the same thing for all of these following nouns, inshallah ta'ala. Okay? But then what I want you to pay attention is when you're going to use عندي and li. I have, they both mean I have. As I mentioned, عندي is for objects and animals, and li is more for siblings. More for siblings, inshallah ta'ala. Okay? And that's only for those questions that are saying, do you have? Other questions might not be like that, inshallah ta'ala. So again, go through this exercise, answering these questions. Using the number that's written in brackets as a number, you're going to rewrite it as words, answering this question. Then exercise number 4 here. اكتب الأعداد من 3 إلى 10 واجعل كلا من الكلمات الآتية معدودا لها. So it said, write out the numbers from 3 to 10 and make the following words the thing you're counting. So you're going to use kitab, qalam, tajir. So kitab is going to be 3, qalam 4, tajir 5, until you get to 10, inshallah ta'ala. And making those necessary changes, whether you're going to, like, plural, what's the plural? Does it take kasra or fatha or dhamma at the end? All of these things, paying attention to that. And I encourage you, when you do exercises and you're in, and just join the Facebook group, post your exercises, picture of your exercise in the group, and we'll comment if there's any corrections to be made on your picture, inshallah ta'ala, in the comment section. So please push yourself, make sure you do all the exercises, and this is what actually makes you learn the rules and prove that you know the rules, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.